Welcome to Xiamen Benshine Bags, a trusted cooler bag factory in China since 2013. Our factory covers over 3,000 square meters and is equipped with top-of-the-line machinery, including single and double needle sewing machines, computerized sewing equipment, and skilled production lines of over 50 experienced employees. Here, our team produces over 50,000 cooler bags monthly, ensuring precision and high quality in every step of the process. At Benshine, we're proud of our flexible minimum order quantities, starting at 100 pieces for in-stock options and 500 pieces for custom designs. Directly with us, our clients benefit from factory direct pricing that's at least 10% lower than market rates. Plus, our streamlined, one-stop solution allows clients to order effortlessly and await delivery, saving time, cost, and the need for importing specialized knowledge. Take a look at some of our cooler bag designs that have gained recognition worldwide. We've partnered with brands like Bosch, FedEx, Reebok, and Skechers, earning positive feedback and long-term loyalty. Our cooler bags are exported globally, meeting diverse needs across industries and delivering reliability with every shipment. Choose Xiamen Benshine bags for your custom cooler bags and experience quality, efficiency, and affordability from a trusted Chinese bag factory. Contact us today to begin your order. Xiamen Benshine bags, where quality, customizability, and client satisfaction come together.